Okay, I think I'm ready.
Okay.
Hey guys, my name's Jesus. Welcome back to another video. This one's gonna be a little bit different. I'm not gonna be doing the work this time. My sister's actually gonna be fixing her dog bowl tray. What do you call these? Yeah. As you can see, it's pretty beat up. So we're gonna be sanding the top and then staining it and then painting the legs. So I'm not gonna do any of the work, she is, and I'm just gonna be here in case she has any questions or needs some help. So let's get to it. So we're gonna remove all 6 of these.
Whoa.
Yeah. You gotta press it down because, yeah, and then don't put it, or, yeah, don't, the trigger, don't push it or pull it too much. Yeah, do a little bit softer stuff. Yeah, because these screws are very small. Okay, so do you want to start with this one or the top first? All right, we'll start with the top because that's going to be easiest. So I'm going to let you have these so you can put them on because this is loud. And then I'll use my earphone or earbuds. Okay, so this is this is 60 grit, which means it's just touch it, like it's very rough.
Oh, yeah.
So it's gonna take off most of the ugliness that's on here. Okay. And then we'll do one that's finer, so it gives it a smooth finish. Okay. So it only has one button. Well, I gotta turn it on.
Oh my
and then basically just put it on here. It around. Okay, so she sanded it all down. As you can see, there's still a lot of dark spots. I'm assuming this is water damage stain things, but we're gonna be using dark walnut for the stain. So I'm hoping this would kind of cover and match this. If not, we'll just call it a feature. Now we gotta move on to the legs. We probably had to do this by hand. Yeah, with the sandpaper. So probably, yeah. No, huge.
We're extra small.
So the rag, you just grab it, just dip it in there, and then just wipe it on the surface.
Do you want to?
No. Yeah, just spread it around. Yep. That's it, yep.
So I do like
The sides, yeah, you could do the sides. We're gonna let it dry for like, or not let it dry, let it soak for like a couple of minutes, and then we'll wipe it off. Do you want to put more on it? Porque it doesn't look like aquí está agarrando. Okay, and then if you want to just grab the rag and then try to wipe all of it off if you can, like with pressure and stuff. Yeah. I mean, if they fall, it's fine. Well, you're gonna do it, but I was gonna tell them. So we're gonna do gloss Dover white, and just from a spray paint can. We're doing the bottom first, and then we'll flip it over, and then we'll do the top. And this is as much rust as we could take off, so it's gonna have to work. I'll make her another one later, but this is for now. Okay, not like that, because then you're gonna make it run like over here. But this paint actually sucks. You want to go buy a different paint? Time out. We're gonna go get paint. So we're back from the store. We got some more white paint. Hopefully this is better. And then some rust reform from Rust-Oleum to kind of cover the rust and help with the white paint. So we'll do this first, and then we'll do the white. Guess it like it's running already. So yeah, there you go. Yep, and then we'll do another one, such as that's fine. Yeah, there you go. Do you need like a stepping stool? It's too tall. You want gloves? What are you doing? Waiting for your bowl? All right, so we're done for the first day. The base is painted white. The top is stained with dark walnut. We just gotta let it dry, apply polyacrylic to the top so it's more durable. And yeah, it's their first time with spray painting and sanding and
didn't go too well.
everything. You think it's easy, or you think anybody else could do it? You just gotta have the tools.
You have to have the tools and somebody, I guess, telling you how to do it for the first time, and maybe after a few tries you can get better at it.
Yeah, so there you go. Tomorrow we'll finish it up, let the stain fully cure, and then we'll show you guys the final result. The next day here, and all there is to do is just apply the polyacrylic to give it a protective finish. My sister is not here for today. She is busy with school stuff and other things, so I'm going to be finishing this off. She was pretty much done already, other than applying this, putting the screws back on, and then you're good to go. So I'm going to do that real quick, and then I'll show you guys some after shots. pretty much all done now. She's got to give this 24 hours to fully cure, but other than that, she's good to go. It's as good as she's gonna get.